Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing buffering issues with YouTube TV on your Roku device, follow these step-by-step instructions to improve streaming performance and reduce interruptions. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed by running a speed test on another device. YouTube TV recommends at least 3 Mbps for SD quality and 13 Mbps for HD quality. Step 2. Restart your Roku device by going to Settings, then System Restart. This clears temporary data and can resolve streaming issues. Step 3. Restart your router by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in and waiting for it to fully reconnect. Step 4. Move your Roku device closer to your Wi-Fi router or use an Ethernet cable for a more stable wired connection. Physical obstacles can weaken wireless signals. Step 5. Check for Roku software updates by going to Settings, then System Update. Install any available updates to ensure you have the latest performance improvements. Step 6. Update the YouTube TV app by going to the Roku home screen, highlighting the YouTube TV channel, pressing the star button, and selecting Check for Updates. Step 7. Reduce the number of devices connected to your network. Multiple streams or downloads can consume bandwidth and cause buffering on YouTube TV. Step 8. If buffering persists, lower the video quality in YouTube TV settings. Press the down arrow on your remote during playback and select a lower quality option to reduce buffering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.